All right, here's one of our projects. Each one of these areas with different colors represents a different embed, or shear wall, sorry. Shear wall here, shear wall here. If I zoom out and then go to this whirly thing here, I can go into 3D, look for that north arrow to go flat and come down. All right, so now we are looking at our shear wall in 3 dimensions. So you can see how it looks. And you can see, so over here, these are shear walls too. Here's another one here. These are all embeds. If I zoom in, I can actually show you those embeds in 3D as well. All right, so here's an embed. I shot 4 corners and calculated to the center here, because that's the area, that's where they wanted to see it. And here's another one like this. If you can see, see, here's one on the end. That's another one on the end there. And you can see how I shot them all. If I want to create a code, or I can create this bar however I want. I usually do start line start code. Sometimes you might want to have point ID here first, so I can hit that. Now when I hit point ID, it'll put the next, I can type point number 1 and it will populate from 1, 2, 3, 4 as I shoot. Every time I shoot a new one, it'll put another number associated with it. Now if I press and hold this again, I can change point ID. After your point ID set, you're good. You can go to code, sorry. Now the code here is embed. I created that. It's got that unique symbol. If I go to the toolbox, new, and I typed in whatever I want, and I describe it as whatever I want in more detail if I want. Then I can give it a unique color or code if I want. And now that code has been created. So when I shoot this point over here, it'll populate as point ID number 1. And its code will be this crazy mess I put in here. And if I hit start line, it will draw a line between the two. It'll continue a line. Oops.